First we have to go to the file menu, click on new modes. Click on use built-in setting. Yes, okay. Here we have to change the x direction and y direction of the spacing. And the number of stories we have to type into 23. Then we have to click into custom story data and edit data. Then we have to change the similar stories and master stories become in 23 stories, 90 stories and 40 stories and 8 story. Click on OK. Click on grid only. Click on OK. Then we should have to go to define menu, material property, add new material property. Region is Indian, material type is concrete, standard Indian, grade M40. Click on OK. Click on OK. Then add new property. We have to change the material type is rebar and grade is HYSD grade 500. Click on OK. Click on OK. Then add new material. Here we have to change the grade in M grade 250. Click on OK. Click on OK. Here we have these three are formed and click on OK. Then we again go to define menu, section property, frame section, add new property. Click on rectangular section. Here the property name is given to C 500 and material type is M40, depth is 500 and width is 500. Then we have to go to modify shown bar. Here the design type is PM2 M3 design and longitudinal bar HYSD 500 and confinement bar mild 250. Click on OK. Click on OK. Again click on add new property, rectangular section. Here we have changed the property name is C 550 and 550. Material type is M40 and depth is 550 and width is 550. We have to go to modify show bar. Here the design type is PM2 M3 design and rebar materials HYSD 500 and mild steel 250. OK. OK. Add copy property. Here the property name is C600 and 600. Material type is M40, depth is 600 and width is 600. Click on OK. Then we have to click on add new property. Then we have to select the auto selected list. Here the property name is column auto selected and auto selected design type is concrete. Then we have to select these three and click on add. Then click on OK. Then we have to add new property, rectangular type. Then the property name is B500 by 300. Material type is M40, depth is 500 and width is 300. Then click on modify show rebar. Click on design type is M3, design only, longitudinal mild 250 and we have to change the top bar and bottom bar give to 25 mm. OK. OK. Then click on add copy of the property. Give the property name is B550 bar 350 and material is M40, depth is 550 and width is 350. Click on OK. Add copy of the property again. Also we have to change the property name, depth and width. Click on OK. Click on add new property. select rectangular section, and frequently this we have to select the auto selected list, and we have to change the property name, and auto selected design type is concrete. Then we have to select these three beams and click on add and click on OK. Then we have to go to define menu again and section property, slab section, add new property. Here we also change the property name. Slab material is M40 and thickness is 150 mm. Click on OK. Click on OK. Then we have to create the plan view story 1, and we have to go to drop menu and draw beam column brace object and click quick draw column. Then we have to change the property column auto selected and one story into similar story. Then we have to select the plan view. Then we have to click the draw menu, draw beam column bracer object and quick draw beam column. Then we have to change the property into beam auto select, and we have to click to select. Then we again go to draw menu, draw floor wall object, quick draw floor wall. Then we have to change the property slab 150 and select the whole area. Then we have to go to story 9 and we have to select the quick draw column. We have to complete the column section. Then we have to go to here, we have to complete the story 9 and we have to turn into story 60. Then we have to turn into 60. Then we should have to go to plan view story 70-20. Then similar story into one story. Click on quick draw column. Then apply into the plan view. Then we have to move into quick drawn beam column. Here the picture. Then we have to move into quick draw floor wall. And we have to select this. Edit. Click on replicate. Go to the story and select 2-3 stories. Apply. OK. Then we have to go to application of dead and live load. We have to turn one story into all stories. Then we move into plan view story 1. We have to go to assign menu, shell load, uniform. Load is dead load. Uniform load is 2. Apply. OK. Then we have to go to all story into similar story. Then shell load uniform. The load pattern name is live and load apply into 5 kN per meter square. Apply. Okay. First we have to select these holes. Then go to assign menu, shell load uniform, apply. OK. And the plan view is story 9. Select hole this and go to analyzing uniform. Load change into 4.5 kN per meter square. Apply. OK. And we have to go to story 50. Select hole. Assign menu, shell uniform. We have to change the into 4. Apply. OK. Here we have to go to the plan view story 20, select this 2, assign menu, uniform. We have to give the load into 3.5 kilonewton per meter square, apply, OK. And we have to move into the story 1 and similar story we have to check into select all exterior beam. Select and we have to go to assign menu, frame load, distribution. Here we had to change the load into 0.2 kilonewton per meter, apply, OK. We have to go to story time and display undeformed shape, click into, select all the outer side line and click on distribute, then apply, click on OK. Select the outer line and go to assign menu, frame load, distribution, apply, OK. Select the outline and we have to go to assign menu, same step, we have to go to story plan 23 and display similar story into one story. Select, we have select the 6 frames and assign menu, here we have to give the options into deleted existing load, apply, OK. Then we have to go to basement, set 0. Here displacement is then we have to go to define menu. Here the wind time base wind also IS 856. Add new load, select the wind load and modify lateral load. As per the IS 857 part 3 1987, consider the building in Bangalore, that is why wind speed is 30, terrain category is 3 and structure class is C, risk coefficient is 1 and topography is also 1. OK. Click on elevation and here click on OK. Select this hole and go to assign menu, shell loads, wind pressure coefficient. Here the coefficient is P is 8.8. Then click on apply. Then we have to go to plan view and story 1. OK. Elevation to D. OK. Select the all shells and assign menu, shell loads. Here the coefficient is 0.25 and it's click on this and apply. OK. Elevation C. select all shell. Assign menu shell wing pressure minus 0. This apply. Okay, and elevation is to 1. Click on OK. Plan story 1. Okay, here all story into one story, and click on 3D view, select, and here we can click the first one and go to analyzing, run analysis, save the file. We have to save this and wait for a few seconds. Click on OK. We have to check start and animation. We have to go to design menu and click on concrete frame design. Then we have to go to start design check. Wait for a while. Here we have to answer to click yes. Then go to detailing. Start detailing. We have to give this all this, and thanks for watching.